Hi guys, so today we will show you how you will make this barfi, milk barfi. So for this khoya barfi or beef barfi at your home, so please see this video till last. You will find how we will make milk barfi or mawa barfi at your home. So for this we already took all the already this mawa. So how you will make this mawa or khoya, we have another video. I will put link in this description box. Please see that video. We need pure ghee, little this sugar, corn flour, also little dry fruits, okay, like almond, little this currant and this crushed pistachio, okay, and this pan. So now I will show you step by step. Please see this video till last. You will find how you will make this milk or mawa barfi at your home. So now start. If you still not subscribe our channel, subscribe also, because in this channel you found all informative video which we upload daily. So first I put little this pure ghee, okay, then I will put this our this khoya, okay. So I already put our khoya and ghee, and now all low fire. You put low fire, little corn flour you have to put, okay. Okay, little corn flour and have to mix and like this, okay. And now I put little cardamom powder, okay, little to give flavor our barfi. So I already put this corn flour and also cardamom powder, and now we will put our this dry fruits little, and I add little sugar also, okay. You put sugar and then have to mix, okay. So I add little dry fruits also in it and have to mix. This ready our this khoya with barfi. So now we put in another pan and have to put in chiller till 15 minutes, okay. So I put this khoya in another pan, and you can cut like this as usually how you want to give shape, okay, and put in chiller till maybe 15 to half hour, okay. So you can cut like this to give this shape to our barfi, okay, like this, okay. So now I put this in chiller. In freezer we have to put in freezer, and after 15 to 20 minutes I will show you when this will be froze, okay. So now half hour finished, we check our barfi. Oh wow, our delicious barfi is ready. See the color and also like thickness should be. So now you can enjoy this barfi with any after eat like dinner or lunch. As a dessert you can eat this. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you have any query regarding this or any other query, please comment in comment box. So our delicious barfi, how give me in comment box how you how want to you give this review for this recipe. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. We will come with another informative video also. Till then, have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.